Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this screen protector AlignMaster GLAS.tR from Spigen. I will install it to my new Galaxy S21 FE. You need less time to align this screen protector. The GLAS.tR AlignMaster comes with an innovative tray designing to eliminate the time wasted to achieve the greatest alignment. Simply place the tray over the phone, press the sender and watch the glass bounded at the phone. This is a 9/8 hardness glass, oleophobic coating for daily fingerprint resistance, real glass, delicate touch. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and start the installation process and let's see how it goes. We've got some accessories inside, help us to install it better. QR code, how to remove bubbles, okay. Dust removal sticker, another dust removal sticker, cleaning cloth, lens and screen clean wipe, perfect. Plastic for removing any bubbles. And there is the GLAS.tR alignment master. Definitely it will help you to align precise the screen protector at your smartphone. Some instructions. Thank you for choosing Spigen. Okay. And there we've got the 2 screen protectors included at this packet. Nice. I will use, of course, only the one for now. I hope I can manage to install it only with the first time. Perfect. Now we need my smartphone, of course. Now, an unexpected problem was happened. With no reason, my camera stopped recording at the time when I was installing the screen protector. Okay, this is amazing. Never happened to me. Now, well, the installation was very easy. As you can see, we've got no bubbles, nothing. It is very clear, the glass, transparent. It is amazing. It looks so great. Well, it is very easy. Just take one of the cleaning wipes, clean it very well. Any dust, it will remove any dust. Then take this alignment master, install it at your smartphone, and you can see at the back how it looks. It fits perfect. Your phone is not going anywhere. Take your tempered glass, in my case, was already installed. This is the second. Peel off this back sticker and just leave it at this place and it will do the job. Take the plastic and remove any bubbles. It will fit perfectly. It doesn't take no more 1 minute to install this screen protector, and it's doing a great job. It is amazing. Let's turn on my smartphone. Well, never happened to me. Stop the camera at the time when I'm installing the tempered glass. Unbelievable. And I did mention it, I will not use the second glass. Okay. See, it happened. Now, response for the fingerprint is very fast, with no problem. Don't have to worry about your fingerprint recognition. It is very fast. Writing a message. Hello guys, today was a great day for me. Okay, nice. It's writing very fast, no problem. Response the same as you're scrolling. No need to worry about the response of your screen. But if you've got any problems, go to your settings, display, and enable the touch sensitivity, increase the touch sensitivity for use with screen protectors. Perfect. It is your choice. Overall, I can say it's doing a great job scrolling with no problem. Nice. I like it. Definitely this alignment kit, it will help you to align very well your screen protector with no problem. Install it at the right position. It is amazing. Spigen is doing a great product. I like products from Spigen. So many years I buy this product because I need to feel safe and secure my precious products, because smartphones at these days are so expensive and definitely you don't want to break your screen. It is so expensive. That's why I buy these premium products from Spigen and I feel more safe. Stay with me. At my next video you can see the ultra high bit case from Spigen for my Galaxy S21 FE as a fan edition and install it to my phone. I hope my camera will not stop again. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.